Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to set a SIMU radio motor to semi-automatic down setting mode using its remote control. This is when only the down limit switch is set automatically. This setting is valid for the electronic radio range of motors range E, using SIMU-Hz and SIMU-BHz radio technology with alternative or direct current. This applies both to 40 diameter motors T3.5 and to 50 diameter motors T5. Note that to prevent interference, if you have several motors to program, only connect one at a time. If your shutter is fitted with rigid links or fasteners without stoppers, the motor is set to semi-automatic mode. After pairing the remote control by pressing up and down simultaneously until the motor responds, and after checking that the remote control moves the shutter in the right direction. If you see that the shutter's rotational direction is not right, then hold down the stop button for several seconds until the motor responds. At this stage of the programming, the semi-automatic mode can be set when only the up limit switch is set manually. It's easy to do. Using the stop button, stop the shutter in the desired up position, then adjust the position of up limit switch. Hold down the stop and down buttons at the same time. The shutter will close by itself. Using the stop button, stop the shutter as it closes. Hold down the stop button for 2 seconds to validate the setting. The motor will rotate for half a second in one direction and then in the other direction. That's it. Now to save and finish setting of semi-automatic mode, hold down the prog button on the remote control until the motor responds. Your motor is ready to use. In the other tutorials in this playlist, I will explain the procedure for the 3 other unlimited setting modes.